Hello guys, kaka-receive ko lang ng Aramix guys, from Aramix Delivery. Ito guys is in-apply ko guys ng ATM dito sa Quit guys, sa Wabra Bank. Okay, ganito pala guys. Ang bilis niya lang guys. Warba Bank. I'm sorry, it's not Wabra, it's a Warba Bank. Ayan guys, tingnan natin guys kung ano tsura nito. Ito na guys. Tagal lang. Okay. What is this? Ito guys. CD. Yung application nila nasa Play Store. Play Store, App Store, Apps Gallery. Okay. And then, in-apply ko siya guys. Ito na. Tingnan natin yung ATM nila. Okay guys, meron na akong ATM. O, diba guys, meron na. Meron na. Uy. Meron na guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Warba Bank. Okay guys, sa Warba Bank to guys. Galing. Okay. Mabilis lang siya guys. Hindi ko akalain. Okay, na-approve siya. O, diba? May magagamit na ako dito guys. So, kinit siya guys. Kinit. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Yun lang. Ito lang yung vlog ko ngayon guys. Thank you.